Right, so today I'm going to share with you all how I do stew pigeon peas. We have processed pigeon peas and all our local herbs and brown sugar. So you're going to start by browning the sugar first. Let it caramelize a little, not black or dark, but a dark brown before we add the pigeon peas and the other ingredients. Allow the sugar to burn a little bit, then add the pigeon peas. Add our carrots, pumpkin, Chadon Beni, garlic, pimento, some onions, or butter. The butter is optional, you don't have to add the butter. I just like butter, bay leaf, one whole hot pepper, sprigs of thyme, some salt, black pepper. We add a little bit of water, that's enough to cover the ingredients. Right, then we add some coconut milk, sieve, and cover.